In this video, we're going to look at hyperlinks. The simplest form of hyperlinks is when you simply have a website. Let's say make up a website www.news.com. It will automatically link to that website and also an email. So that's the simplest forms of hyperlinking, but that's not what we're going to look at now. So I'm just going to take this out again. What I want to show you is we have three worksheets here. Sheet 1, sheet 2, and then let's call this the dashboard, and I want to link to these other two sheets. And the way you do it is you select the position where you want the link to go. Then on the top here you click on insert. In the older versions on the links here you'll see hyperlink, but in Office 365 it's just called link. So if I click on that, it will ask you what do you want to link to. So we're going to say place in this document. I'm going to go to sheet 1. If you wanted to, you can say a specific Excel reference, but for now we'll leave it as my sheet 1 and click OK. So now if you click on my sheet 1, A1, it will click and it will jump to that cell. What you could do here again is maybe link back to the original sheet. So click, just remember where back is. So this is in C3. So I could click on link again and say go to the dashboard to C3. And here on top text to display, you could maybe call it something like home. So it will display home, but it will actually jump to the dashboard. So now if you click on home, it will jump here. And if you want to change an existing link, you just right click on it. And here you can say either remove the hyperlink, open the hyperlink, or edit hyperlink. So if I click on edit, I can in this case say maybe call this just sheet 1. And click OK, and now it says sheet 1. If you click on that, it goes to home. And now we can do the same for sheet 2. Click on link again, call that sheet 2, and if you jump on that, it will jump to that sheet. And here again, call that dashboard, say C4. Call that home, and this will give you a convenient method of linking your sheets together, and I give you some kind of a navigational system. So that's what I want to show you in this hyperlinks. If you want to delete a hyperlink or remove it, actually just click on the remove hyperlink, and this home won't be a hyperlink again. Or if you want to link it again, previously I had blank cell, but now currently it says home there. So if I now click on link, the text to display will automatically be home. I can click on the dashboard and say C4 if I want. Click OK, and now if you click there, it will jump back. So that's how you can use hyperlinks to build a navigation system in your worksheet. Hi, this is Anton from the Data Developer channel. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up below and subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching.